Hey, this is Jerome in Boise, Idaho. This is a shout out and a testimonial for Steve West. He has been my go-to coach for special issues when it comes to email automation, when it comes to online marketing. I am pretty good at it, but he is great at it. And so not only does he help you go where you need to go for your business and for your clients, but he goes beyond that. So he and I have always had great discussions about how to best serve businesses that I have as well as clients that I have. Can't say enough about Steve. Steve, thank you for all your great help, your great coaching. And if anybody out there needs help with these kinds of issues, from CRMs to email automations to online marketing, and to be the top of your game, reach out to Steve. He's the one that can help you. Thanks, Steve, and we'll talk to you soon.